Hello and welcome back to my channel, Sean Pennington Reviews. If you're watching my channel, thank you for watching my channel. I hope y'all had a good day today. Last day for most of y'all for the work week. And I just wanted to talk about a quick topic that I was just thinking about. I don't know, I just think of random stuff, and what came to me was like how I dealt with a patchy beard. Now you're probably out there, starting your journey and your beard's patchy and you're trying to figure out what's going on and you're freaking out and you're probably like, oh, my beard's patchy, I don't know how to grow this in, or I don't know how to grow that in, or whatever your situation is. But I'm gonna share with y'all how I dealt with my patchy spots, and maybe it might help you, it might not. But how I dealt with my patchy beard was like right here, it grows really slow up here and it grows thicker down here. So what I did was I got like a good beard balm. I got it out of like a beard kit the first time I grew my beard. I think it was called Rapid Beard Kit. And I got the balm, and once I started using that balm, and you're probably wondering, Sean, what is balm? Like, balm is pretty much like, it's gonna help you style your beard. It's gonna help you train them hairs the way you want them to grow, and it's also going to help you style your beard the way you want your beard to look. And it's also conditioning your beard too. So, but with that, I got a good balm. I started putting it in my beard. I started brushing downward, and it started kind of coming in better. Like right this time around, I'm doing the same thing this time as I'm growing my beard. I'm brushing downward in the direction I want the hairs to grow. And I just did that. And then another thing I did was, and it's kind of key in growing your beard, is you have to be patient with growing a beard. Like, not everybody, there's no such thing as a perfect beard. I'm gonna say that right now. Now, everybody has their patchy spots and little trouble areas that they have to deal with. There's no such thing as a perfect beard. And if there is, please tell me or show me. But I mean, a lot of these beards that you see on Instagram and YouTube, it took time for them to grow them, grow them beards in, and they took care of them beards, and they were doing what they had to do to make sure their beards would grow in. But you have to be kind of patient with the process. I mean, you might be discouraged and you might think, oh man, it's not growing the way I want to, man. I got this patchy spot and this patchy spot here, and it just takes time, and you just have to kind of tough it out and just deal with it. I mean, and there's other alternatives too. I mean, you could try the minoxidil and all these growth oils and stuff that might help you. I don't know, but I'm just telling you what helped me is pretty much using a good beard balm and just brushing the way that I wanted the hairs to grow, and I just gave it time for it to grow in, and then eventually it filled out. And then it just covered up most of them like trouble spots, because my trouble spots are like up here. It like grows slow and it grows real thick down here. So I just had them hairs grow, or had them hairs brush down in the direction that to blend in with the bottom hair. So, but just remember, when you're growing a beard, it takes time, man. Just be patient. I mean, I know it seems rough at first because you're growing it out and you're looking kind of awkward and weird, and people looking at you funny, and just have to kind of like tell yourself, I'm going to grow the beard regardless of what people say. And if it comes down to it, maybe you have to take, if you just absolutely cannot grow in the areas that are patchy, maybe you have to use a Jamaican black castor oil or minoxidil or growth oils or whatever to get it to grow. But like I'm just telling you what I did, and pretty much I just used a good beard balm, and I just gave it time for it to grow in. And hopefully this advice will help y'all. I mean, like I said, I'm more about giving back to, like, the beardsmen and the bearded community, because like I owe so much. Because like, I mean, all these videos that I'm watching now, it's cool how much of a community the bearded community is. So it's cool how it is. I mean, I met people that I don't think I ever would have met if I didn't grow the beard. So with that, I mean, I owe a lot, and I kind of want to give back and give my my take on certain topics. So, but with that said, I hope y'all have a good weekend, good rest of the day, and I'm out.